This topic is scatter graph. The questions are taken from Edexcel GCSE higher pass paper. So let's look at question 1. The scatter graph shows information about the height and the arm length of each 8 students in year 11. What type of correlation does this scatter graph shows? To do that, first thing what we do is we draw the line of best fit. The line of best fit goes through the points. Just make sure that the points are equal on either side. Pretty much the distances between the points and the line should be pretty much equal. You could see as the height increases, the arm length increases as well. Therefore, we could say positive correlation. A different student in 11 has a height of 148 centimeter. Estimate the arm length of the student. So what we do, we look at 148 centimeter. That's that. Draw across. You could see that is 83 centimeter. Let's move on to question 2. The scatter graph shows the information about the height and weight for 9 students. The table shows the height and weight for 3 more students. On the scatter graph, plot the information from the table. So let's say it, 135 is 70 kilogram. So 135 is here, 70 kilogram is here. So let's put a plot point there. 155 and 75, that's 155, that is 75. 170 and 85, 170 and 85 falls in somewhere here. Right, we got the points now, and we can draw the line of best fit. So let's draw the line of best fit, ensuring that we have equal distances between the line and the points. Now, what type of correlation is this? Is positive. As the height increases, the weight increases as well. So positive correlation. The weight of another student is 80 kilogram. Estimate the height of the student. So 80 kilogram is here. So you draw a line across. You draw a line down. It's about 164 centimeter. Next question. Question 3. On a particular day, a scientist recorded the air temperature of 8 different heights above sea level. The scatter diagram shows the air temperature y centigrade at each of these heights x kilometer above sea level. So this is the height above sea level, x-axis, air temperature is y-axis. Using the scatter diagram, write down air temperature recorded at height of 2.5 kilometer above sea level. So 2.5 is here, is 2 centigrade. Describe the correlation between the air temperature and the height above sea level. To draw a line of best fit. So here, that's the line of best fit. Pretty much equal on either side. Then what we're going to do, we're going to find the correlation. You could see as the height above sea level increases, the air temperature drops. So one goes up, the other one comes down. So we say negative correlation. Find an estimate of the height above sea level when the air temperature is 0. To do that, best thing to do is you extend this line. Make sure it's straight. Now you could see where does it cross. This is 0. So it crosses the x-axis at this point. That is 2.5. That is around 2.6. So 2.6 centimeter. Let's move on to the next question. Question 4. Some students took a mathematics test and a science test. The scatter graph shows information about the test marks of 8 students. The table shows the test mark of 4 more students. On the scatter graph, plot the information from the table. So when the marks is 14, 14 is here, is 21. Let's put it there. 25, 23. Maths is 25. Science is 23. Maths is 50. Science is 38. Maths is 58. Science is 51. Describe the correlation between the marks in the mathematics test and the marks in the science test. So first thing as we do, we just draw the line of best fit. So it's a bit scattered, this one, but we can still draw the line of best fit, ensuring the distances are equal from the line. So we could see as the maths mark increases, so as the science test. So it is a positive correlation. Joseph was absent for mathematics test, but his mark in the science test was 45. Estimate Joseph's marks in the mathematics test. So 45 we could mark in science is science, that's science 45. Just draw a line across, draw a line down. Is about 48. There will be a range of answers because it's depending how you draw your scatter graph. 48 marks. Next question. The scatter graph shows the maths marks and art mark for each 15 students. What type of correlation does the scatter graph shows? So let's draw the line of best fit. We could see as the maths mark increases, art mark decreases. So you could understand probably they're spending more time on maths and less time on art. What type of correlation is this? Negative correlation. Sarah has not got a marks yet. Her art mark is 23. Use your line of best fit to estimate the maths mark for Sarah. 23 art marks is here. That's 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 is here. So let's draw a line there and draw a line across. Down is 38 marks. So that's 5 questions on scatter graph.